Hi friends, my name is Saurabh Khandelwal. I am a diamond expert. I've been working in jewelry industry since 20 years. I've worked in manufacturing, wholesaling and retail sector. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for your valuable time. Do subscribe to my channel, do like my videos and share them. Thank you so much. Today in this video, we're going to talk about the facts, the tips that you need to know before you go and buy jewelry. Any kind of jewelry, be it diamond, be it gold, or be it silver. You will possess the knowledge of the most important facts about jewelry. Clear mindset on what type of jewelry you want to buy. You want to buy gold jewelry, or you want to buy diamond jewelry, or even in gold jewelry there are many different kinds of gold jewelry like antique, like kundan, and like diamond polki kundan jewelry, and various other types. And when you're buying jewelry, don't just think of investment or don't just think of fashion. It should be a balance of the two. Of course, buying jewelry is taken as a proposition for investment in India. But these days, fashion is in the air. So it should be a package of both investment and fashion. Just balance it out. Next most important aspect is authenticity. So you should be aware of all the BIS marks. You should be aware of the diamond certifications, what are the most important certifications that you need to look after. And also when you're buying color stones, precious stones like yellow sapphire, blue sapphire, you should be buying stones which have certification with them. So always check the authenticity by looking at the certificates and by looking at the marks. For detailed BIS marks or for detail on certification, you can watch my YouTube video on hallmarking, and you can also watch my video on certification in diamonds. Do watch them, you will have a lot of knowledge after watching them. Next aspect is clear mandate. So always whenever you are going to buy jewelry or whenever you are at your jeweler, always take receipts, always take the bills, proper bills, and do always file them. Always inquire for the right exchange policy. So whenever you wish to exchange on a later stage, or whenever you wish to return on a later stage, so you don't face a problem. Obviously size does matter. So whenever you're buying jewelry online, so remember the pictures are usually enlarged. I have spoken to many of my clients and they always complain of this thing, that what we have seen online and what they got their home was not alike. There were different things. See the sizes, always see the height, the width, so you can get a fair idea of what actual size of the jewelry is. So don't get fascinated by pictures, especially in solitaires, because you'll always see a fancy white, all brilliant and shiny piece, but actually these photographs are mostly photoshopped. Understand, it is actually a very high quality piece. But even the low grade pieces are shown in the picture as they are of high quality. Do look after the certifications and inscriptions on the diamonds, and do match them when you get your piece. This is a basic checklist. So do check your weights, whatever the slip you get with on the weighing machine. Obviously understand all the calculations properly, whatever your jeweler is charging you. Always check all the inscriptions, especially on the jewelry, especially on the diamonds, so that whatever you're buying is actually the same what you're paying for. And do check the bill, do check the receipts. Always do keep them at a safe place, so that at times of return or exchange you have the bill, original bill, and you have all the receipts. If you wish to know about the labor calculations or any other similar topics, here is my channel link. You can always subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can always take all the knowledge. So this is it, my friends. If you like this video, do like and share my this video, and thank you so much for your valuable time. Keep watching. Please follow us on Facebook, Insta, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you once again. Have a great day. Bye bye.
No stress.